how to choose which app to include or exclude from the schedule summary notifications on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. Then tap on Schedule Summary. Next, go down to the section where it says Apps in Summary. And from the list of apps in here, tap on the app that you want to include in the summary. So turn on the toggle button, and this will allow you to include the app notifications in the schedule summary. And that's it. So once you include it in the schedule summary, those selected apps will not notify you anymore until the phone show you a summary schedule. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.